Little storyteller.
Nimbus was a happy, fluffy cloud. He loved to drift over sunny green fields and watch the little animals play. Today, Nimbus floated over something new, a big, colorful building with giant candy canes spinning on top. It smelled sweet, like strawberries and blueberries and yummy things all mixed together. Inside the candy factory, happy workers in bright aprons were making all sorts of treats. One machine was making tiny, colorful blocks, just like building bricks, but these smelled like juicy fruits. Oops! A big gust of wind blew open a window right as the fruit brick machine went whir. Suddenly, little fruity building bricks were zooming out the window and right into Nimbus. The happy cloud giggled as the tiny, colorful blocks tickled him. He didn't know what they were, but they smelled so yummy. Nimbus floated over a park where children were playing. A little girl with bright pink shoes was trying to build a tower with regular toy blocks, but they kept falling over. A boy with a blue hat was trying to make a car, but he didn't have the right pieces. Suddenly, little colorful things started to fall from Nimbus. Plink, plank, plunk. They landed all around the children. The little girl picked up a red block that smelled like strawberry. The boy picked up a blue block that smelled like blueberry. They looked like Lego bricks, but they smelled so good. "Wow," said the little girl. She started building her tower with the fruity bricks. They clicked together just like her regular blocks. The boy used the yummy blocks to finish his car. It even had wheels that smelled like green apple. Other children in the park saw the fun and came to join. They built colorful animals, tall houses, and even a spaceship, all out of the tiny edible Lego bricks that had fallen from Nimbus. When they were done building, they could even take a bite. The strawberry tower tasted sweet, and the blueberry car was juicy. The children shared the fruity bricks and helped each other build even bigger and better creations. They learned that playing together was even more fun than playing alone. Nimbus watched them from above, his fluffy face full of happy smiles. It made him feel good to bring a little bit of sweet, fruity fun to their day. Fun fact: did you know that clouds are made of tiny, tiny drops of water? When these drops get too heavy, they fall as rain. Nimbus's special fruity rain helped the children have a tasty and fun time playing together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.